my name is Jerry. I attend this course because I find it very interesting that Temasek Poly have this course, and I have SkillsFuture credit, and I finally got to learn what is 3D printing and got to learn CAD software. I'll recommend this course to my friends.
Hi, my name is Joy here. As you can see, what 3D can do is amazing. What 3D can do, and it's unimaginable, how far it can go. I find this course interesting is because we get to learn how to draw and model our own products, and I highly recommend to all my friends.